I'm looking for my wallet. I can't find it anywhere. Looking for means that I don't know where it is, so I'm looking in many different places. Looking, and here it is. I've found it. I'm Teacher Mike, and today we're learning when to use look for, find, search, discover, and seek. So, looking for something is the process. Finding something is the result of that process. If you want to find something, you look for it. Or another way of saying that is that look for basically means try to find. So you can say that you're looking for something, or you can say that you're trying to find something. Those both mean the same thing. However, you can also find things without looking for them. For example, yesterday I found $5 while I was doing my laundry. And in situations like that one, where the thing that we find is surprising or unexpected, we can also use the verb discover. For example, if this is your first time watching one of my videos, you have just discovered my channel. And if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe because I have new videos like this one every Sunday as well as a live video every Tuesday. But now, let's talk about the word search. The first thing we need to understand is that we have search and we have search for. Search for is basically the same as look for. When you want to find something, you search for it. However, search for is more formal, whereas look for is more informal. Search for also sounds a bit more serious, detailed, or thorough, whereas look for sounds a bit more casual. For example, if you're looking different places around your house trying to find your wallet, you would probably say that you are looking for it. However, if the police are doing a very serious investigation trying to find a child who has gone missing, in that case we would probably say that they are searching for the child. And when we use search for, the object is the thing that we are trying to find. Again, they are searching for the child. Or she is searching for a new apartment. But when we use search without the word for, the object is the thing or area where we are doing the searching. For example, the police searched the man's home. Or the TSA agents searched the woman's luggage. In those examples, although we know where they are looking, we don't know exactly what they are hoping to find. Next, we have seek, which is very similar to look for and search for. However, there are also some very important differences. First, whereas look for and search for are often used with physical objects that we can see or touch, seek is more commonly used with things that we cannot see or touch. For example, things like goals or ideas. For example, she's seeking a new job. Or, our company is seeking new business opportunities. The second important difference is that search for and look for focus more on the action, whereas seek focuses more on the desire. Basically, it's a bit more like saying, I want this thing, or I hope for this thing. And you can also use seek to followed by a verb. This basically means I want to, I'm trying to, or I hope to. For example, we seek to improve the quality of our product. Or I seek to provide easy to understand explanations. And if these were easy to understand explanations, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and check out another video.